Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change language on DHgate. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to DHgate.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have a profile, you can always go and register. But if you do not know how to do that, you can always find a video on our channel how to do it. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the search bar, and also we have all of the categories. In the top right corner, we have your name, we have recently viewed, you have favorites, and the shopping cart at the end. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change language on DHgate. Well, it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, what you need to do is drag your mouse to the top right corner of the screen. And here you have a few options. We have the buy protection, we have customer service, save more, and at the end, we have the three options when you hover: ship to, language and currency, and of course, what we need to click on is language, where as you can see, guys, we have a lot of languages that we can go and choose from. When you choose your language, don't forget to click save, and basically your website will be changed to that language. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this, guys, really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything as I said for this video. And guys, as always, I hope to see you soon again on this channel, and that on the next, of course, video. Bye guys.